Pandas, replace column values to empty if not present in predefined list. I have a list, X, that contains a set of legal values for a column. Say, I have column A. I want to replace, set to empty string, elements in DFA if their value is not an X. How can I do that efficiently in Pandas? I know there is a sim, but that just checks if the values are present and returns a series of true/false.
You can use the standard Pandas indexing here. ~df.a.eachingx will revert the Boolean series returned by df.a.eachingx, i.e. false, true and true, false.
You can do it with apply.